Something must be bothering you. You haven't touched your food.
Oh, gosh, you're right. Oops.
Swankiest thing my uncle has ever invited me to, and I really want to impress him with how fancy we can all be. We all have to be super classy and super refined.
Classy. Refined. Gotcha. Oops.
Should be an interesting evening.
Kibble stew. Sounds easy enough. Carrots, celery. There's so much. I'm sure nobody will mind if I have 1 or 2 bites.
You're welcome to stay here and not laugh with us.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
And you're just in time for our hourly belcher contest. Longest one wins.
Oops, I spilled. Should I start again? This is a documentary, Roxy. No starting again. We're here to chronicle the production of this year's fabulous Fids, Fur, and Feathers fashion show. All I want from you is reality. So it's okay to burp? Because I've been holding one in. Excuse me.
Guess what? I won